Welcome to Module 3, Chess and Checkers. In this module, we will be focusing on getting to know an individual for their strengths. So the main thing about this module is to get over a thought that we commonly have that we want to work on our weaknesses, that we need to focus on where someone is weakest. So I'd like you to picture a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being a weakness and 10 being a strength. Now, if your lowest weakness rated a 3, and your highest strength rated an 8. If we looked at that scale, I think most of us would be inclined to work on our weakness and try to move that 3 up. Nobody wants to seem vulnerable or have a glaring weakness. Assume that you've spent 4 or 5 months working on that weakness, and you've put a lot of effort into it, and you've moved that 3 up to, say, a 5. Now imagine, conversely, that if instead of focusing on that weakness of a 3, you spent your effort and time working on your 8, your strength. And let's say you move that up 3 or 2 in this instance. You've gone from a 3 to a 5 to become average at something that was once a weakness, and moving from an 8, a strength, to a 10 to becoming an expert in an area. People don't look for average in hiring or enlisting someone to participate or perform something. People look for experts. They look for strengths. Spend time getting to know the students that you're working with or the people that you're working with, and try to draw on their strengths. When we're working in our strength areas, we tend to feel energized and invigorated because we're doing something we feel good and competent at. Think about how you feel when you're working in an area that is your weakness. If we draw on our students' strengths, we can invigorate them and empower them to feel good about what they're involved in. So I challenge you during this module to spend some time focusing on your students' strengths. Enlist them in their strengths. Try to find ways to help them express their strengths in class. Good luck this week.